You know, as a medical reporter, all I really am is a storyteller, and I'm telling your stories, the stories of courage, the stories of determination. And on the one hand, we talk about the patients and their families and the fact that they're fighting a good fight. On the other hand, we talk about the doctors and the scientists and the researchers and the volunteers and the nurses and the business people who are doing their role as well. But what makes my job so easy is that, isn't this a great community we live in, isn't it? I mean, we've got the best people in the world. An example will be the people here today. We've got perfect weather. Let's look outside. We've got the most gorgeous beaches and the most magnificent mountains in the world. We've got a great public and private school system. And you know what? We have a magnificent healthcare system here as well. And Dr. Zhao and I are trained in Boston, and we tend to think sometimes that Boston is the mecca of American medicine. But of course, Durham is the city of medicine. Durham is the city of medicine. And if you doubt that at all you have to do is to read your medical journals. All you have to do is listen to the popular press. All you have to do is witness the people who come and go from Duke to get their medical services. It's so very important. I'll tell you a quick story. Can you hear me okay in the back? I received a telephone call one night from the WRAL television assignment desk, and it was really late at night, maybe about 12 midnight. And so I picked up the phone, and the person on the end said, hey, and I said, hey, you know, what could this possibly be about? And they said, look, we understand that Ted Kennedy has been admitted to Duke University Medical Center with a brain tumor. We want you to call over and kind of get us some information. And of course, I politely declined by saying, of course, I would not abuse my privilege as a physician in doing something like that, but because of HIPAA laws as well, I can't ask and Duke won't tell. So we just sort of ended the conversation right there. Well, we all know what happened after that. The next day, Ted Kennedy's family held a press conference. They announced that, in fact, Ted Kennedy had come to Duke University Medical Center for management of his brain tumor. And to think of the fact that Ted Kennedy, perhaps the most sophisticated healthcare researcher in the entire world, would leave Boston, Massachusetts to come to Durham for his health care. It just speaks volumes to the quality and the sophistication of the health care that's provided here.